Hi everyone! Today we're going to look at the Reservation Tool in the iVendi platform, a new feature of iVendi Convert, allowing customers to reserve a vehicle online. To set up the Reservation Tool in the iVendi platform, go to Settings, and then Vehicle Reservation. The initial integration of the vehicle reservation function uses Stripe to process payments from the consumer to the retailer. Before you can set up the vehicle reservation function, you need to set up a Stripe account. Once you have your Stripe account, you will be given a publishable key and a secret key. Enter your keys into the fields here, along with your selected reservation fee of up to £500 and reservation period between 1 and 14 days. You can check and edit your secret Stripe key by clicking here. Choosing a lower reservation fee may result in more reservations. However, these may be less likely to convert to sales. Higher reservation fees may see fewer reservations, but these are likely to be from more committed buyers. The retailer maintains control of this process at all times and can change the reservation fee and time period as they see fit. Click I accept the vehicle reservation's terms of use and click the green Save button. This will enable the reservation feature on your website. Active and overdue reservations will be visible from the home page of the iVendi platform. Here you can manage all of your reservations. Filter to view only active, refunded, or overdue reservations, view customer name and contact details, payment date, see when the vehicle is reserved until, and see the refund date. You can create a customer record or refund the customer here. If it is a returning customer, the reservation will automatically be linked to the existing customer record based on the email provided. To refund a vehicle reservation, simply click the Refund Customer button and select Confirm. The customer will be refunded the amount of the vehicle reservation, and the record will be updated to reflect this. If the refund is not made by the refund date, this will become an overdue reservation until the refund is processed, ensuring the retailer maintains control of the process the whole time. Thanks for taking the time to watch this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you need any further support, please contact us on support@ivendi.com.